guys, how are you doing? I hope everything's fine. Io resto a casa. Tutto andrà bene. Hi. You need your book and your exercise book today and a pencil or a pen, okay? Go and get your book. And now we start. We open our books on page 70. Okay? Page 70. Good. Let's look at the pictures. It's unit 10. Let's look at the pictures. In picture A, we have two girls. They are eating an ice cream and they are laughing. In picture B, we have a family in a garden or in a park. And they have picnic. And we have picture C. We have the trees. In picture D, we see a lot of snow. It's cold and the trees are full of snow. Okay? Now, number 2, the question, match the seasons with photos A to D. We have spring, summer, autumn and winter. Now, stop the video and connect the words with the pictures. Okay? Good. Now I tell you the solution. So, picture A is summer. Yeah, we know that. We are all eating ice cream and granita. Number B is spring. We have it now, but we have to stay inside. We have C, we have autumn. And D, we have the winter. Good. Now, listen to 4 students talking about their favorite season. Which season do they like most? Listen, okay? Student 1. Where I live, we have amazing autumns. People come from all over the world to see the colors of the leaves on the trees. Autumn is from September to November. Student 2. I live in Canada. Winter here is cold, very cold. It usually snows a lot, which is great because I love skiing. Our winter is from November until February. Student 3. Summer in Australia lasts from December to February. It's great, and not just because of the warm weather. I like it because it's my birthday. And we usually have a beach party. Student 4. I'm from Spain and my favorite season is spring. There are lots of flowers. It begins in March and goes on until May. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Good. So, student 1 loves autumn. Student 2, winter. Student 3, summer. And student 4, spring. Very good. Now, we go to exercise number 4. How many seasons does your country have? Number 2, which months are in which seasons in your country? And number 3, which is your favorite season and why? Okay? Now, you stop the video, you write the answers, you take a picture and you send the picture into our chat. You write the answer, stop the video, write the answer, take a picture, send it in the chat. Okay? Great. Stop the video. Now we go to page 123, okay? 123. So we are going to talk about another form of the future. We talked about the will future, about the present continuous for the future, and the present simple for the future. We did that 2 times ago, if you can remember. Today we are talking about the be going to. be going to means you use am, is, or are, going to, and then the ing form, and then the infinitive. I'll show you. I am going to explain you the grammar. You are going to listen. We are going to learn it together. Okay? So when do we use it? Quando lo usiamo? We use going to plus infinitive to talk about future plans. I'm going to spend all evening on my homework. I'm not going to fall asleep. Things we predict because of something we can see or because of information we have now. My older sister is going to have a baby. It's going to rain. Look at those dark clouds. Now, we use it for plans, per qualcosa che pianifichiamo per il futuro. Abbiamo fatto l'altra volta present continuous e la differenza è quando usiamo la present continuous. Io ho comprato il biglietto, io so quando, io so tutto. Nel be going to, that is just a plan. Ancora non ho comprato i biglietti. I am going to the cinema tomorrow. Ancora non so quale film, o non ho comprato il biglietto e non so con chi andare, ma è la mia forte intenzione. Or things we predict because of something we can see. Perhaps we see someone racing in the car, qualcuno corre veloce nella macchina, and we see that there's a big tree on the street, e nella strada è un grande albero. And we say, oh, he is going to crash into the tree. Lo posso dire perché è ovviamente che succederà questo, ok? Good. Now you do practice 1, 2, and 3. Stop the video, write the answers, send me a picture, and then I tell you the solutions, okay? Stop the video right now. Good. Now I tell you the solutions. It's nearly 8 o'clock. You are going to miss your bus. Number 2. Tomorrow morning we are going to ride our bikes to school. Number 3. I'm going to do more exercise in future. Number 4. We aren't going to need our coats. The sun is coming out. Number 5, we are going to visit our grandparents at the weekend. Number 2, A. What are you going to do this evening? B. I'm going to play a video game. 3. Is it going to rain tomorrow? No, look at the red sky. It's going to be sunny all day. Number 4. What are you going to do when you leave school? I'm going to look for a good job. Number 5. Is your team going to win the match? No. The other team is much better. We are going to lose. Okay. Now we go to page 72. Page 72. Okay. Okay. Now, exercise 1. Why does Tony want to go to the park? And number 2, why does Juan want to go out? Tony, do you want to come to the park, Juan? No, thanks. Tony, why not? Millie and Soraya are going to be there. Juan, I'd like to, but it's a bit cold. And look at the sky. It's going to rain. Tony, I've got an umbrella. Juan, sorry, Tony, I'm not going to leave the house today. Juan, come noi, io resto a casa. Tony, what are you going to do? Juan, I'm going to stay in and watch some films. Tony, okay, maybe I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Number 2. Match the rule. Why does Tony want to go to the park? Why does he want to go to the park? He wants to go to the park because Millie and Soraya are going to be there. And why doesn't Juan want to go? It's cold and it's going to rain. Okay? So, let's read the rules. Millie and Soraya are going to be there. Number 2, look at the sky, it's going to rain. A, we use going to verb when we have information in the present that tells us what will happen in the future. B, we use going to plus verb to talk about plans and intentions. That's easy. Number 1 is B and number 2 is A. Okay? Now you go to video 2.